what can be some objective functions. Just I will give you a just brief discussion. From it, the objective functions will differ for different tasks. We will just give a small description. For example, the 8 queens problem. What is your objective? Your objective is having, you are trying to have the 8 queens on the board in which none of them are attacking each other, right? So an easy objective function for 8 queens problem can be number of non-attacking queens on board, and you will try to increase this objective function, maximize this objective function. So this is an optimization problem in which you want to maximize. Let us come to that job shop scheduling. You want to maximize a combination of productivity you may want to maximize productivity, you may want to minimize machine idle time, you may want to maximize productivity while minimizing machine idle time, and you want to get a schedule for that. So I can combine both. So this is again optimization. Any other type of application that we have? Portfolio management. Again, you want to maximize your returns. And all these the concept of optimization always comes from the fact you should know of a constraint. If there had been no constraint, if my job shop has infinite number of machines, I would not have to consider this optimization at all. I have a constraint that I only have a finite number of machines, or I only have a finite number of laborers. In portfolio management, my constraint is I have only a finite salary. If I had an infinite salary, I would not have to think of how to maximize on returns, where to spend what. I would have done whatever amount of share trading, whatever amount of FD, RD, infrastructure bond, gold bond, whatever, without thinking at all. If I have, in the first case, if I had infinite salary, I would not do portfolio management at all. Why do people invest? To earn more. So if I am having infinite salary, if I am having infinite salary now, why would I want to earn more? Nothing can be more than infinity. So maximize returns while having a constraint on salary. So this is again an optimization. So all these kind of applications of local search algorithms, we have framed them as optimization problems with respect to some objective functions.